What are parametric equations? In parametric equations, we write the coordinate of a point, that is x and y, in term of t. In this case, we get two equations, one for x in term of t and second for y in term of t. And the general shape of these two equations are like this: x is a function of t and y is also a function of t. By just putting the value of t in both equations, so we get the x coordinate and the y coordinate. In this way, we get the both x and y coordinate of a point. This t is normally called parameter, and normally it is taken as time. Such equations are normally used in kinematics, in which when object moves, its position with respect to x-axis and y-axis are independent. And in this case, we use time as a parameter. Let's understand with an example. Here we have two parametric equations. The first is x is equal to at square and the second y is equal to 2at. Here the coordinate x and y, they are written in terms of t, and a is a positive number. What we do here, we will put different values of t in both the parametric equations. When we put -3 in equation x is equal to at square, we get 9a, and when we put the same value in the second equation, y is equal to 2at, we will get -6a. In a similar way, we will get this table. Now with the help of this table, now we have got x and y coordinates. Using these x and y coordinate, now we can plot the graph of these parametric equations, and which is a parabola like this. Sometimes what we do here, we eliminate this t from both of the equation, and then we get another equation in which y is written in terms of x. Eliminating the t from these equations is called the method of elimination. So in this example, we try to understand this method. From this equation, y is equal to 2at, we have made t as a subject. Now just plug in this t in second equation, which is x is equal to at square, and after simplification we get equation y square is equal to 4ax. Now in this equation y square is equal to 4ax, t has been eliminated, and this is a Cartesian equation of parabola, whereas these two equations, parametric equations, are the parametric equations of the parabola. Now just by putting different values of x, we will get values of y in a table, and from that table we can draw a graph as we normally do.